Here's how to delete a playlist on YouTube. Now open up the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or if you're on a computer, you can go to youtube.com. Now the first thing we need to do is navigate to that playlist to delete it. So to do that, we're going to tap on You at the very bottom right here. Now keep in mind, if you're on a computer, you might need to tap at the very top right. And you'll be able to see here under History is Playlists. So next to Playlists, I can hit the View All, and it'll show me all of my playlists. Now let's say this playlist is trash. That's the one I want to delete. There are two different ways that I can delete this, and I'll walk through a caveat on why you might not be able to delete it as well. So from here, I'm going to tap the three dots next to it, and then I can just tap on Delete, and then Delete. However, another option I do have is just to tap on that playlist. If you're in the playlist view and you don't see it previously, or you prefer this, you can tap on those three dots at the top right, and then hit Delete Playlist, and then hit Delete. Now keep in mind, the nice thing is it does not delete out those videos, just the playlist that's housing those videos. Now keep in mind, other playlists like Watch Later, I can tap on those three dots and it doesn't do anything. I can tap on it and again tap on the three dots and it doesn't give me any option to delete it. Keep in mind, there are two different playlists that you cannot delete: the Liked Videos playlist and Watch Later. For whatever reason, YouTube does not give you the ability to delete those.